how could we miss this, or how did we really miss this? General Kahinda Otafiire against Norbert Mao's proposal of having MPs vote for the president comes 2026, and women have 2 terms, and also reinstating back the term limits.
On this, I have heard voices in Parliament saying the president should be elected by parties. David, I respect that view of yours, but I don't share it. Tell your colleagues who are peddling that idea that they should be humble enough to understand why those of us who framed the Constitution said the president shall be elected by the people, and not only the people, but with 51% of the population. We were not stupid to insist that it should be 51%. Why are they humble enough to consult those of us who are there and say, why did you do this stupid thing? That was my belief. It's my belief. It will be my belief until the last post. Last post in the army means the bugle they blow when you are going down the grave. That
is it. Fire on Norbert Mao on fire. As I say, it's a developing story. That is the opinion of Kahinda Otafiire. Although most people consider Kahinda Otafiire as a planted person to bring in propaganda and also bring in mind games or play psychology in the Uganda political landscape. Many people link the same activity being done by Otafiire to the one of Kizza Besigye. A lot of people, a lot of political analysts considers Besigye as somebody who was just planted to confuse Uganda as a major position for a long time until of late. Now Otafiire also is opposing a lot of government moves which are rhetoric or biting the citizens, like the interest from General Kahinda, General Muhoozi, the CDF of the country, who wanted to contest, being the first son of President Museveni. Kahinda Otafiire has made it clear he has been against that move, and it keeps shocking people. It just keeps shocking people how someone so strong in the agenda, so strong in the movement, part of the NRA, being in the bush, can say that. Majority of Ugandans don't believe this, but then it's a test of time.